right, we're going to start off the 80-50 Run Whatcha Brung Diesel class. Corey Bowman, 05 Chevrolet, going to be the first puller. .32 for Corey. He was coming on with it, 313.24, 313.24 for Mr. Looney. 2003 Ford Power Stroke coming up next. Lady Desarno, not too bad. 250.82, 250.82. Putting it all over the track from the front end. What happens when you turn them up? You build the booster, turn it loose, but he's set up at 278.10. 278.10. They dry down. All right. Naked water. Lady was giving everything good. 308.31. 308.31. Get on to WWPTV right down here. Good Lord, I screwed that all up, didn't I? I don't get no promotional credit for nothing now. WWPTV. Log into its YouTube page, sign up, look it up, and you can sit at home and watch everything going on. Chevrolet fans, where are you at? That's what I'm talking about. 342.94. 342.94 puts Randy Sampson in the top spot. Now Randy, that's just showing off. It happens every dang on time, I know it. We got a blackout. There's a sled in there somewhere. Way up. Not quite enough though. 281.73. Randy Sampson's going to be your winner. Second place going to John Looney. Third place going to Nathan Parker. Whole lot of smoke